headwind now. So we are much slower than expected. So probably we're gonna need longer.
Yep.
And also this time, 3 minutes is probably not accurate anymore.
Traffic, altitude, we're turning left crosswind, gray, left downwind departure.
Okay, can you see Santa Ana Canyon?
Maybe this?
Yes, this area here.
Yep.
But these roads cross. So this is the 91, and then there goes a road to the south. This is where Santa Ana Canyon is.
Yeah.
So 3 minutes are over now, so it's pretty accurate. Maybe because of the headwind we would need maybe 4 minutes. And also when you take off, in the beginning we are pretty slow, we don't have...
Traffic, helicopter 3 Mike Hotel, mile to the north, transitioning
We
west.
don't have 80 knots right away, right? So it normally takes a little longer because it needs a little time before we get to 80 knots.
Yeah.
Okay, then what was the reference point before that?
Santa Canyon. Wait. Intersection?
No,
Intersection?
that's where you did a position report.
Yeah.
Can you remember where you did the last position report?
Yeah. LA traffic.
Yeah, but what was the name of the checkpoint?
Over Santa Ana Canyon.
No, but you mean
water.
Yes,
Water plant.
water treatment plants. Yes. So you can turn a little to the right, and then I cannot see it yet.
Yeah.
But if you just fly along this mountain ridge, it's pretty good. You just don't want to fly in this direction, because this is where Fullerton is. So this direction is pretty good.
Yeah.
And as soon as you see the water treatment plant, you can tell me.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we are still on with Corona, so we think it's a good time to switch to another.
Yeah.
To LA Basin. Yeah. As soon as you see it, you just adjust your heading and fly straight to the treatment plant.
Yeah.
1500 is good, about 80 knots.
Oh yeah, 80.
So we have still like 8-9 knots headwind, so it's a little less now, so a little better. But still we are a little too slow.
Yeah.
Well, not too slow, but I mean we just have a headwind the ground speed. So here we have some more power lines, so let's try to fly over this pole.
Yeah.
That's a good habit to never fly over the lines itself, only over the poles.
Yes. The water plant is there.
Where?
Water plant is there.
Where is it?
Oh, maybe here?
This one?
Yeah.
Yes, that's it. Nice. So this is a situation where we would also need that reckoning, because now we could not see the next checkpoint.
Yeah.
So then you would just check your navlog, okay, this heading, and then you would fly this heading until you find it. But now we don't have it on here, but maybe next time.
Yeah.
So for here it's just, in general it's good here to just fly along this mountain ridge, because we just don't want to be too far over there because of Fullerton. But as long as you fly along these mountains, you will find the treatment plant.
Yeah.
And when we are there, you can do another position report. Nice mountains here, huh? Hills.
Yeah.
Now the wind is better. You can do the position report whenever you're ready.
Yeah. LA traffic, Expo 680 Hotel over water trend 1400, heading west, LA traffic.
Nice. Yeah, so LA traffic is fine. Some people also say LA basin, but LA traffic is also good.
Yeah.
Okay, then we're gonna, can you remember the next point?
Intersection? Intersection?
No.
Maybe this.
That's then the one after it, is also something like this. But first, you remember we flew very close to it to avoid Fullerton.
Yeah.
What was it again?
Maybe.
So I can also not see it yet, but can you remember what it was?
Yeah, maybe like stick?
Yes, antennas.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the heading is pretty good.
Yeah.
So now again, if we don't see it, we would just have to fly our heading from the navlog. But we don't have it now, but this is how we would normally find it.
Yes.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, I can see it now. Just in front of us.
Yeah.
12 o'clock, yes.
Yeah.
Maybe you can also remember staying north of these white
Yeah.
things here. Then we have to fly really close to the antennas because Fullerton airspace is very close here.
Yeah.
And last time we were at 2000, so 1500 does work, but it's close. So maybe next time we have to plan, we have to go to 2000.
Yeah.
Okay, left side clear.
Right side clear.
Okay, so let's climb a little bit to have a better view. Climb a little higher, and then you can tell me what's your next reference point.
Maybe intersection.
No, before that was this white tank.
This yeah.
Yeah, so we want to stay on the north of this tank. So this one is also good, this
Yeah.
pitch. But if you stay north of those two obstacles, it's perfect. So this is why when we were at 1500, it's pretty, okay.
Yeah.
It's pretty hard to see. So that's why it's even better to be at 2000 over there. But for now, 1500 is good.
Yeah.
Okay, then for the next one, we have to be careful that we don't bust Fullerton. So from here, I always want you to fly a heading which is 240 or greater. So not more to the left. 240 or bigger one. So you can play 240 for now.
Yeah.
And then the next reference point is this X road I told you about.
Yeah.
So you can already try to look and find it. Yeah. There are some power lines below us, but we are more than high enough.